From XINLEMY, it's a 100-inch screen. Projector not included. Easy to install, easy to set up with texture fabric. We're going to show you what it looks like in the evening hours with the 160-degree view angle. So let's unbox this and show you what you get inside. Pulling the handle out of the box. Everything's included to set up your screen. When you get your product, simply unzip her and remove everything out of its contents. You have an instruction guide to go over on how to set up your product. We're going to set our product up over here and present the show in the evening hour. Take everything out. Last thing you take out is the screen. We have a couple of pieces, string and cord. Need to fill these bags up with water or sand. Let's get going. We have a bunch of aluminum alloy and plastic pipes. We need to assemble. These are couplers. They simply go together as one kit. Grab the next one and assemble. We have another set. They're all numbered. Parts A, B, C, D, as you can see. Empty out and assemble. We have here is crossbars that we need to connect. They got rubber feet. We got our main bars that go on. And our main piece that goes on. Everything is almost set up. Put our bags of water on. You can lift up, slide down. Now we need to put our screen. We're just going to now place this in our area where we're going to have it presented. And great for picnics, affairs, showing movies. We filled ours with sand or water, and we can lift up, offer the base, place on, have it weighted down, and place back on, and there you go. Do the other side. Lift up, place on, and close down, and adjust to your area. We have string, we have stakes if we have soft ground. Windy, tie things down so things don't blow away. The next step is to open up your fabric. One side is black and the other side is white. So we have the fabric here, black on one, white on the other, Velcro's on the side, and you need to disassemble the top piece to slide your bar through. As you now slide through, and reattach, and lock down one side, work it to the end. and start to lock down and stretch. When everything's all done, you're ready for tonight. On the top, we have an area so you can loop it, tie it, and lock it into place. The projector screen, 100-inch, all set up. Projector not included. We'll show you what this looks like in the evening hours. And the teardown is as easy as it went up. This is the 100-inch screen. You see the image. Projector isn't optional. For affairs, parties, gatherings in the backyard. We're going to disassemble and show you how easy it is to take apart. Taking down is as simple as starting off at one end and removing the screen. And then working on the other side. And then taking the poles down. With each of the number of bags, you can simply put everything back. And then just simply put everything in its case. And you have your home theater, portable, ready to go for the next time. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.